Boston is a 12-minute drive, but I'm going to Boston differently today. Hello everyone, I'm Christopher from CB Productions, and today my dad and I are going to take the Boston T from Braintree to Boston. I see Guitar Center.
Yeah.
And to the same stores we have at the South Coast Marketplace.
Yeah.
And the Hobby Lobby. And one of the other stores that we have at the South Coast Marketplace, Ultra Beauty. Toyota car dealership. Oh, I almost forgot. This is actually my first time taking an MBTA train at Daddy's Dairy. And we have arrived.
So far. Ready?
So far. All right. Now we just purchase our ticket. And now we're about to claim the ticket. Right. Let's see. Or somewhere around there. And that's where we're heading to. This is the red line to Braintree. It turns out this train is actually our train after all.
It is.
Yep, doors closing.
Yeah, see, this is there's the alleyway. Look here.
Here we go.
Come here, buddy. See how it says right here? Look. This is going to go all the way. Yeah. Well, look. Not crazy. We're going to go to Braintree right there, but it's going to go. We're coming to here. We're over here. So we're coming to here. Okay. Alright. So they're staying home all day. Let's get out and do some stuff. The other side, Chris. Highway, that's what we're doing. We can ride the train on anywhere we want to go.
Passing by
Approaching Quincy Adams. Doors will open on the left. Change here
Now
for bus
approaching
connections.
Quincy Adams. Departing again. Here we go.
On the red line. On the red line from Braintree. As our first stop is Quincy Adams. On our way to South Station, Boston.
Hope I saw an autism thing.
Yeah.
We go!
Next stop, Quincy Center. Doors will open on
Next
the left.
stop, so look, Quincy Center. Next stop is Quincy Center. The doors will open on the left.
Next stop is Quincy Center. Doors will open on the left.
We're going all the way up to...
And we're going all the way up to South Station. There's a Star Market, Starbucks, and Walgreens.
Right now, we're not Boston yet.
Doors have closed. About to. Yep, now they have. We're off to the next station.
Next stop, Wollaston. Doors will open on the left.
The train. Right now, the train is moving slowly. So I passed another train, but I didn't have the opportunity to film it. I mean, I would have filmed it, but I missed it. Our next stop is Boston, then it's North Quincy.
Last floor would be 9781. Yep.
As you can see, the train is pretty long. Oh,
Next stop.
we're going faster.
Approaching Wollaston. Doors will open on the left.
Here's another train. Off to Wollaston.
Next stop, North Quincy.
I'll just say Jabla and Marshalls. And a Stop and Shop. Up I see Pub 99. And a Chipotle. And both the Mattress Firm and the Aspinental.
What time do we get on that? Do you remember what time we get on that? Give me a different one. We'll go in the big big. Some time. Hold on time. Give me a different one. We'll go in the big big. Some time. Hold on time.
Is
We're in North Quincy.
Alewife.
We're going up to here. The destination is Alewife,
There,
but we're going
Hotel station. And there's commuter rail, bus service, the ferry. And more. JFK UMass is the next stop. Here we go! And it seems like they're building something. Actually, it doesn't just seem like it. They're actually doing it. Now we're going faster. We're approaching the next stop, which is Sullivan Hill. But I think this is actually somewhat House Station. I don't think this is. I mean, it's part of the red line. Oh wait, this might be out. This might be a stop. Never mind. This is not a part of this train stop. There's another train. We're approaching JFK UMass. closing. Here we go. Doors closed. Up. That train's already departing for us. Well, here we go. I know the door's gonna close. Up, here we go. Door's closing. We're departing soon. Here we go. Bye, JFK UMass. Next to the red line.
Next
Apartment
stop,
line.
Andrew. Doors will open on the right.
Another train. Out of commission. Working for other people sucks, and you should stop it. But there are some people that love to work for other people. Approaching Andrew. Doors opening on the right. Here's the train. Board.
The destination of this train is Alewife.
Departing Andrew. On the red line.
Way. Doors will open on the left.
Broadway is our next stop. Is it just me? Or did it one sound like it was chugging? After Broadway is South Station in Boston, Mass. That's right.
South Station.
Yep.
Doors will open
That's our
on the
next stop.
right.
Yeah, we gotta get out.
So, we're in a tunnel. A single tunnel. Without any train to pass us on either the left side or the right side.
South Station. Doors will open on the right. Change here for the SL1, SL2, SL3, SL4 bus connections, the commuter rail, and Amtrak.
Time for us to get off.
Destination of this train is
We are. South Station.
This is where we are right now, right? See how it says SL1, SL2, and SL3? These are all buses. See, this is Amtrak. Because this is where you would change to get on the Amtrak station if you want to go to Maine or if you want to go to New York. This is where you'd come. South Station is a main hub in Boston. we just came from here all the way to here. Okay? Come on, let's work. Brains down there?
Yeah, we're in Boston now.
Yeah.
And there's the area where my dad worked at.
Oh yeah, I'll take a walk quick and see. There's South Station right there. We're gonna cross over. This is Providence.
Oh, here's the trains.
Providence via Ruggles.
Providence via Ruggles.
And there's Worcester Back Bay.
Worcester Back Bay.
And there's Foxborough.
Foxborough. There's Reedville. Washington, D.C.
Yes. Steel and iron. These guys, I don't know if they know who I am. It's fun, don't it? This is what Dad does. See these guys unloading all the iron and the steel right here? That's what Dad does. We do
Okay. The PYR-14 by Don Isles.
Oh, that's the pyramid.
And that is actually the pyramid. Here are some birds.
Please report any suspicion.
Here comes our train.
No, this might not be ours. Ours is going to Braintree. It's going to be 5 minutes. This one's
actually is that could be our train. And it turns out that train wasn't our train.
some people getting off. See how packed it is? Some people are getting off, some people are staying on. See how packed? It's packed because everybody's going home. You gotta see who gets off and who gets on. Lucky to get a seat. Hold on, let people.
And now we're going home. Rolling down the tracks through a Massachusetts town, I hear a train, the Red T train. I wait at the station in the morning just to get on. The train roars in and the passengers board. I board as well, luckily no rain. The door chime is heard and the doors start closing. Now our journey has begun. The train starts moving, the wheels are spinning. I hold on tight on the yellow bar. All the passengers are looking on their phones, but I'm out and about, exploring the world. I look out the window and I record the scenery. To look back on the day I went, the train moves faster. I hold on tight, that's to let you know that I'm going train. The train is not so packed, the cost is long as well. The red striped train is passing by. The houses, buildings, and many more. That's to tell you that I'm going train traveling. The weather is cold with snow on the ground. The sun is out, melting the snow, making the weather warm one day for all the people living there. The train arrives at another station. Some passengers leave and the others climb on board. Then 2 minutes later, the doors start closing. Now we're on our way again. I'm in another seat to see more scenery and see the houses on one side. The train goes through a tunnel, then out of the tunnel afterwards. There are new passengers on board. No one really has a bad hold. The train decelerates this time. Now we are approaching a station. That's to let you know that I'm going. The train picks up more passengers and some getting off, but some passengers stay on until Boston. The door chime is heard and the doors start closing. That's to tell you that I'm going train traveling. All the people are seeing action from the view of the train to the outside view. The train keeps moving and lots of more stuff go by, but the journey doesn't end here. I wave hello to the waving Railfans as the train passes them a speed of 40. It goes up to 45 a few moments later and the train hasn't derailed. Rolling down the tracks through a Massachusetts town, the red T's going down the tracks. I grab my phone out and record the trip to share the memories. The train moves faster, the motor's spinning. I hold on tight on the yellow bar. All the passengers without a care are staring down at their phones. And the announcement comes in, tells us that our stop is near. It is a big win because I never fear. We're almost to Boston and that is our stop. That's to let you know that I'm going train. The train stops at the stations and approaches near Boston. And when it does, it slows down to the speed where it actually arrives, so it lets me off the train. The train is at the platform, arriving now. The passengers prepare to board. I do too, I check everything. There's nothing left behind. The train completely stops and we all deboard. I mind the gap coming out. I had fun riding on the train. It tells me that I hope to come back. We watch the train leave and we wave goodbye. We'll catch it again on the way back. I really had fun, I hope to come back. That's to tell you that I went train traveling. Train traveling. Now I'm home with my parents, and now our night is going smooth.
Don't be filming me, please.
And the rest of my family's Friday night is going smooth. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And if you're new and if you enjoyed this video, welcome to CB Productions. Make sure to subscribe for more good content coming soon.
Chris.
See you guys on the next video on the next live stream. Goodbye!